Hello everybody, my name is Sam Bachman and I am a student here at the State Tech Auto Collision program, and I wanted to do a little featurette on a project we did this fall. May not have ended how we wanted it to, but I'm going to bring you along for the story of Dolores, the baddest derby car that never was. All right, folks, this is Dolores, and my voice is echoing really loud. This is the 2023 State Tech Auto Collision Technology Demolition Derby car. Dolores is a 1990 Oldsmobile Delta 88 with, of course, 3800 series, very nice. We just finished up Dolores and making our final preparations for our debut event tomorrow. We've got hi guy out there. We've got fuel tank mounted in the rear seat. Got the windows kind of change shot. Got some very nice welding. Pretty proud of that. I did myself there. Some floral decoration. Still waiting on the letters to dry there on the door. Of course, we have our State Tech branded sticker with Dolores' name on it. And then, of course, the number on this side. And we've got a decent cage. And in the trunk there, they're definitely going to ask me to take that bar out tomorrow, but that's okay. Of course, I got my name here on the passenger seat, or a passenger side, because I'm riding on this side. 629, that's our number there. Clark, of course, carved it into the side there. Let me open the hood and just see what we got working with under here. Joke's on me, I'm not opening the hood because the latch isn't working right and it's a two-man job and I'm just one guy. But I did make a nice hood prop rod out of a piece of old broom handle that was in the trash. And we got our scoop here, and Mason, I think, decorated for us. And here's our list of all the stuff we had to do. And I'll show you really the interior is where this car shines. Make sure not to lean against the wet paint. Oh yeah, Oldsmobile. Clark and I wired in some switches here for our electric fan. And of course, turn that on. Turn the key on, hit the fuel pump. She is quite the machine. So hopefully we do pretty good tomorrow. I just wanted to make a quick video about it so I can remember it when I'm like 50 years old and bragging to my kids about the one time that I did something interesting. And also in the program we have the D200 looking beautiful, and tomorrow we're gonna have the derby car up on the trailer, making it look kind of like it's towing it. D200's not done yet, but we're getting there. So yeah, that's Dolores. Through tech, and it's not gonna happen. We would have to make a whole cage for the tank by 5 o'clock, and it's about 4, so we're gonna definitely not drive it back to school. So basically what happened in the heat of the moment, like I always do, I got irritated and didn't finish filming, whatever, and now I'm getting distracted. Camaro's down there. It's the good side, good. But anyway, we went to this derby, and the rules were not very clear. They were also not grammatically correct. Like, for example, steel, like the construction material, the metal, the ferrous metal, S-T-E-E-L, was spelled S-T-E-A-L, as in to thieve or take without permission. Yeah, but we had built our car according to the one-page rule sheet that we were given, but it did not align with the other cars that were there, and it didn't align with the expectations of the fine ladies and gentlemen running this operation. You know who you are. Well, anyway, we were not able to run, so we went back to school kind of a little defeated because, you know, we just put this car back. We just put this car together in 2 weeks and, you know, did the roadkill hustle. But we still managed to have a little fun with it. Totally allegedly. This is in Mexico. This is a different car. This is definitely not in an empty parking lot behind the automotive building. It's not. It's not. Totally different. Okay? Yeah, enjoy. Yeah, dude.
Like you've done that before. Those tires are begging for mercy. Golly! We tore up Mexico.
In a few days, maybe it's a few weeks, I don't remember, after our alleged thrashing session, we get a call from my brother Daryl over at the welding building that we needed to come pick up our new TIG welder that now resides over there. We needed to come pick that up, and he told us to bring a truck. So what did we show up with? Not the detoner, because it still doesn't run right. Holly, calling you out. But, so we showed up in our new shop truck. Yeah, new purpose.
Window frame is a little bit. Right there. Forward? What's that? Forward? Yeah.
So here she sits, like an ugly bridesmaid the morning after a wedding, alone and forgotten. But not forever. This summer, we're gonna try to do something with it. When the weather gets a little warmer, we'll blow the cobwebs out of her. We took a look on the ice a little bit. It was pretty fun. It's not the end of Dolores' story. We're just we're turning the page, if you know what I mean. So, y'all keep up with it. Make sure to like and subscribe. Hopefully you'll see her again in all her glory.